Drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, revealing every pretty bit of skin. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within her, call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the
Hey guys, it is a Sunday. I've just uploaded the video. Talk about consistency queen in 2025, my darling. I've just uploaded a video and I am currently cooking. Actually, I'm about to wrap it up because it's the meat and the potato wedges are just browning now, and the rice is just getting dry, and I'm just waiting for my pumpkin to ripen up. So that's that. But everything else is, this is the fastest I've ever cooked in my whole entire life, and I hope it tastes good. What else? Oh yeah, I haven't done my intro in such a long time. Let me greet y'all. Hey guys, Paula here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, hey, how welcome. If you're an OG return, thank you so much, sis, for stopping back by. My name is Pauline, and I share all things hip, beauty, and lifestyle. And if you're up for that, then please make you stay here a little bit more permanent, okay? Click on the subscriber button down below and join my family. I would love to have you be a part of it. We are on 496 subscribers, 4 subscribers away from 500 subscribers. I'm excited, I'm delighted, and yeah, I know by the end of this week we would have reached that goal, because how won't we? Yeah, but I don't want to talk too much in this vlog. Yeah, I'm not talking too much in this vlog. We are just gonna be doing spend the week together with me. I'm going back to tomorrow. I might show you guys a bit of a tutorial on how I do my lashes, but yeah, that's that on that, baby. Currently my skin is looking so much better than the last time I vlogged, which was the previous vlog. You would see I had a lot of texture. Yeah, my cream is really working. Is the kingdom and the glory
Have you ever wondered what would happen if you pause on all the action? Quit the stress and need no caption. Give your Instagram vacation. Yeah, work on your patience. Yeah, but you ain't facing. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause oh, I love some music, but oh, I just ain't do it. So I took a little break on the west side. Now I'm waking up late on my best side, and it's okay for you. Take a day or two, get your mind together. Sing you with me, say oh.
love is forever, yeah. Yeah.
this is the praise out of the mouth of the babes, and I just be stuck in the days. Hey, tell me that it's not about the way I sing. Then you question me for why I'm even questioning. Cause I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it, and I take him in my own name, cause that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game. They're trying to sell tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing, and your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? Say all to Jesus, I surrender all. To thee I freely give. I will ever love and trust Him in His presence daily.
Hey guys, I'm so excited. I'm really excited. And within that same spirit, I was about to like fix my son's school uniform. And I thought that no man, let me share with you guys. These are things that I got over the December holidays when we were getting him like his, what do they call this? His Christmas clothes. Pep haul and Ackerman's haul. So I bought Teddy school uniform last year because at his school they were supposed to wear full uniform all year round, just on Fridays when it's casual day. So obviously because he's a boy, these things diratutena. I think my accent is gonna change again, like because of where I work. Mara se ratusa ala lasti, guys. So this is now the third pair, and he's only going to grade 1 now. Only now. His foot is a size 9, almost 9.5 right now. So I got him a size 10. Yeah. These were 320 rands. I bought him school uniform, and around about the late last year, like I think it was almost November, I bought him new shirts. So that's why in this haul you won't see me showing you school shirts, gray pants, size 6 to 7. These were 70 rands at Pep Stores. All the shoes are from Ackerman's. And then I got him another shorts. Shorts don't have loops for belt, so it doesn't make sense that I buy him a huge like size, a bigger size. It doesn't make sense that I size up. So these are the pants. I got this in size 4. It's in a size 4. Then I just got like a white shirt to wear underneath. This was from Pep Store. All the shorts were 55 rand. This shirt was 30 rand from Pep Stores. I got him another vest. He already has one, but I just topped up on what I already got him. And yeah, this is basically it. This is in a size 6 to 7. Yeah, and this was how much? 45 rand.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to leave. We can get away. I'm chasing each feel feeling every day. All I wanna hear is when the music loud play. Sitting right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Really wanna get away. Sitting right next to you.
Hey guys, it is Friday evening. Ish, I forgot to vlog the stationery part, like going to buy the stationery and like just marking them up and sending them off to school. I forgot to vlog those parts, crucial parts. I forgot about them. But anyway, a vlog is a vlog is a vlog is a vlog, and this one is, it's not a bad vlog at all. Yo, I can't speak, guys. I'm actually supposed to be filming for my channel, but it's gonna be hair content, and I haven't started. And the reason why I haven't started is because of the fact that I need to close off this one. So I'm just here to close off this vlog so that I can just shoot my hair content. It's been a while since I have done that, but I believe that whatever it is that I'm gonna do because I'm not sure about it even now, but whatever it is that I'm gonna do, I believe that it's gonna be fruitful, it's gonna be good. I'm just here to close off the vlog. Thank you so much for watching up until the end, and if you did enjoy this one, please do not even consider subscribe. I like to say please do consider subscribing. No, don't consider it, please subscribe. We are trying to grow here. And yeah, please tell your friends and tell your friends, your family to tell their friends and families. And yeah, please join my family. I will definitely come back next week with another one. Okay, bye. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.